Hi, I'm Sherri with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm here today with Mike Fodge with Azomite, and we're going to talk to you about Azomite, the benefits you can have and see in your garden.
Right.
Tell us about some of those benefits.
Well, with micronutrients, after you've done your bed prep, the micronutrients are there. The plants probably have never had those nutrients available to them.
Which the Azomite gives you.
The Azomite gives it to you so that they can bring them up along with the other fertilization and give them the strength to withstand stresses of Texas.
Yeah, it just kind of gives your plants an extra immune response to get through our crazy extremes that we go through. So we're going to actually show you how to use these products.
Sure.
So first you would prepare your soil or get in and add compost to your beds. This beautiful, rich, you can just see the nutrients in it.
Yeah.
Lovely compost we have here. And then you would apply a fertilizer. Because, you know, your plants still need to eat food, just like you still eat food, and then you take a vitamin supplement. Azomite would be the vitamin supplement, right?
Exactly.
Will you grab some of the Azomite and show I just sprinkled the fertilizer in there.
Okay.
And then we're going to apply the Azomite to the top of the soil. If we can get the bag open.
We can get the bag open. So the Azomite you're looking for is a prilled product. It's going to be easy to use by hand, or if you use it in other applications, it will work in your broadcast spreaders and such.
Right.
So you'll spread just a little bit of this around along with what you've done. And now you can go on to prepare the bed for finishing your planting.
Yeah, and so then after we get our fertilizer and our Azomite down, we want to make sure all that stays in place and is insulated and happy. So we would then apply a nice hardwood shredded mulch. And this one's the Landscaper's Pride Black Velvet that I talk about all the time. And then this would be just a layer on top. And that kind of keeps everything happy and hydrated and working throughout the year.
It's going to protect your microbes, which are doing all the work.
They're breaking down the Azomite.
Even in the worst of winter or spring, summer, it's going to be there to do as a protection and break down and feed your soil.
Yeah, so when we have well-fed, well-remineralized soils, our plants are going to be happier, they're going to be healthier, they're going to be more resilient, more nutrient dense if you're eating them.
Yes.
Your flowers are going to be more vibrant, and your fragrances of your, like, say, roses are going to be more intense.
Absolutely.
Great. For wonderful info like this, join us at HomeShow Garden Pros.